Now, check this out. These washing machines right here, they just told me that you actually have to wash yourself. Like, so I guess you pour the water in here and then you gotta wash it. And then you have to manually wash and then you manually rinse yourself. Like, you have to do this stuff yourself. I was like, why do you need, I don't understand. Like, why do you need a machine if you have to manually wash the stuff yourself? And the only automatic one they have are these Samsungs, you know, for 4,000 CDs. I mean, this is an alright little size, but yeah, this is. I'm working with the brother right now to see if he'll give me a better price, because I'm getting a whole bunch of stuff right now.
So you see the discounts. These are discounts. 909 cities.
Okay.
This is the total for all.
That's the total for all.
Total for all. The wardrobe, TV, the dumbbells, and then the washing machine.
Hold on, see that? 97.75 with a $900 discount. Okay. But all right. So what about delivery? These some big items. I mean, can y'all? If you can help me on the delivery side, I'll do it. I'll bow.
Is that all today?
Yes. But I want, you know, you should be able to take, well, to be delivered in one trip, right?
Yeah,
everything.
Yeah, everything.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do it. I mean, we got to make sure that works.
We tested it before.
Huh?
We tested it before.
Oh, it's already been tested. That's the 55. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. I'll do it.
So you pay for everything.
Yep. What's your name, bro? What's your name?
Solomon.
Solomon?
Yeah, Solomon.
Solomon is helping me out right now.
Yeah.
He's giving me, what's the name of this store? Melcombe in Cape Coast.
Yeah.
He's helping me out right now. So, you know, if you come to Cape Coast, you need to get some, you know, your appliances and stuff. He's the man to see.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Check out the little shorties. It melted. Yeah, I figured that. Finna go see if I can get some fruits, and meats, and stuff. Oh shoot! Check it out. Damn chickens.
So if you don't like coastal one, you can buy fresh one like this. And
What's better?
it's better.
Fresh is better?
Fresh is better.
Yeah.
So next time,
Okay.
you can buy fresh.
And then they just kill it?
Yes.
Okay. Do me a favor, bro. Say hi to my friends. Say hi to my friends in America.
Hello, family. I'm called Albert. Welcome to Ghana, peacefully country. Come back to your roots, Africa, Ghana.
That's right.
We are in Cape Coast Roman
Cape
Catholic
Coast.
School. Bye bye. Let's go. 15 cities, 10 cities.
The cabbage is how much?
15 cities, 10 cities.
15 and 10.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
15 is bigger than 10.
Oh, okay. Give me one. I'll take one. So there's cabbage, garlic, potato, onion, green pepper.
10 cities. About 24 cities. Now, why? 44 cities. Now, 15 cities. So there, 59 cities. Garrett.
Yeah. Cucumber?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2. Give me 2 of them. We got some peppers over there. Some fish. Is that lettuce?
Yeah. Salad, lettuce.
Lettuce.
You want some?
I want lettuce. Green onion.
Green onion, yeah.
I need green onion. I don't need no lettuce.
Green onion. Yeah, 66. I'm 40. Now on your 70.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
You want this thing?
Carrots?
Yeah.
Nah. I think that's good.
That's good.
I'm good, yeah.
We are in the market. That's the market. Garlic, okra, green pepper, red oil, garden eggs, red plantain. Yeah. You want some red plantain?
Red plantain?
Yeah.
I never had that before. Sure, why not? We got okra. I don't really eat okra.
You like okra? No.
I'm not an okra kind of guy.
You want consomme? That's avocado. You want to take it? Today is arrived.
Avocado? Yeah. This one's ripe.
This one is ripe. This one is
for tomorrow. That's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. Oh, okay. Put that in there. Look, she like, not for you. You not on here. I'm on here.
How many more do you want?
Maybe like, damn, those are the ones? That was big. Maybe like 2. Apples, 2 pineapple. And
I'm doing one more though. No, import airline. Yeah, local one can come out, small ones. How much is 1 pineapple? 1 pineapple is how much? This one is 7 cities.
7?
One is 7 cities.
nice little haul right now.
Local banana. How much? Yes, that one is local.
Yeah, that's good.
Maybe you was sold for the mom. Mother sold me. I can come on and local one. Oh, yeah, okay, this one is 5 cedis.
Okay.
Until I've been here 12.
You know why it's 17.
Nina Bear 47 cedis. Okay.
How much?
47 cedis.
47.